Alright class, obviously I'm not here today, and so what I did was I put this PowerPoint and screencast together to explain what you're doing in class, not only to you, but to your substitute for today. So here are the plans. First of all, you're going to need to get a handbook or a copy of the handbook out of the box on the chair, and you're going to take notes over Highway 3. I don't care what method of note-taking you use. It could be the three we talked about in class, the outline method, the Cornell method, or mind mapping, concept web, concept map method. It could be any of those three, or it could be another type of note-taking, as long as you organize your thoughts around a main idea. I have chunked the reading into headings for you. The headings are listed on this page with the page numbers. So before moving on to the next slide, hold on just a moment. Alright, I was talking about the headings and the announcement came on, sorry. But this would be a good time to pause the video to make sure you get the headings written down. The headings are listed there with page numbers. For who's in charge of your life, I would say at least 2 bullet points or 2 notes over it would work. Anger in the parking lot, 2 or more notes for that one as well. For Ryan's Key to Freedom, I would take 3 or more notes over that section. It's a little longer. And then for the 3 envelopes, 2 or more notes will be long enough. So if you take 20 minutes to do this, then you are good to go. So this, like I said, we'll pause here, or whoever's operating the video will pause here, and I'm moving on to the next thing. The next thing you're going to start working on today is a dream board. For the dream board, I want you to pick at least one dream, and on a note card, it's a large note card, draw at least 3 things symbolizing your dream or dreams. Do not make it obvious to other people, but make sure that you understand what your symbols are. Use crayons, markers, colored pencils. Draw the dream on the blank side of the note card, and then explain your dreams on the lined side. You do not have to be done with this today. I want you to be working on this after we do different activities in class, because the activities in class from now on are not going to take up a whole class period, so I want you to have something to work on after you complete that activity. So start working on the dream board. I'll have the supplies, and you can keep the dream board in the filing cabinet with your notebook. Right, so that's what is going on today, and I will see you next time, and good luck.